Hello. While the Hero 13 Black looks nearly identical to the Hero 12, under the hood there are several key upgrades that make the 13 a more powerful tool. For example, the Hero 13 can shoot burst slow motion up to 400 frames per second at 720p and 360 frames per second at 900p. It supports the new HB series magnetic lens mods, ultra-wide, macro, anamorphic, and the camera automatically detects them and adjusts the settings. Wi-Fi 6 allows file transfers up to 3 times faster than before. The upgraded Enduro battery and improved internal cooling mean the Hero 13 runs cooler and lasts longer. You can now pair Bluetooth headphones to monitor audio or even use them as wireless microphones. And finally, the Hero 13 now includes a tripod screw thread and magnetic clip mount right out of the box. HyperSmooth Stabilization is now version 6.0. Although, honestly, the difference from version 5.0 isn't dramatic. Next time, I'll test video and photo quality using this new Hero 13 Black versus my grandma's GoPro Hero 9 Black. But for now, let's focus on the unboxing and menu walkthrough.